Today we are going to study our second method, that is super profit method. So here is the meaning. Under this method, goodwill is calculated on the basis of super profits, that is excess of actual or average profit over normal profit. Goodwill is determined by multiplying super profit by a certain number of years purchase as agreed by the partners of the business. So let us understand in detail what is super profit method, taking the same example which we have taken in the first class. So here you can see our same bakery, Satyam Bakery, Shanti Bakery and Madhur Bakery. Madhur Bakery is the new one, and whereas Satyam Bakery and Shanti Bakery is the renowned one. So Satyam Bakery and Shanti Bakery have been into this business since many years. So if we want to start a business, a new business, let's say this Madhur Bakery, this is our business, this is new in the market. So if we want to start a new business, we have two options: either acquire established business or start our own. या तो आप किसी का बिजनेस परचेज करो या आप अपना खुद का एक न्यू बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर रहे हो. Well, if we start our own business, we will not earn that amount of profit, that much of profit. Why? Because we don't have permanent customers. Our business is not renowned yet. So we earn a minimum profit. Here you can see Madhur Bakery is earning a profit of 2 lakh. That is minimum profit, which is comparatively lesser than Satyam Bakery and Shanti Bakery's profit. Okay. So the extra profit, here you can see Satyam Bakery and Shanti Bakery is earning extra profit. What is that? That extra profit which these business are earning is known as super profit. Okay. दोनों बिजनेस एक्स्ट्रा अर्न कर रहे हैं मधुर बेकरी से, तो दिस एक्स्ट्रा प्रॉफिट इज नोन एज सुपर प्रॉफिट. द प्रॉफिट विच इज अर्नड बाय अ न्यू बिजनेस आफ्टर द कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट इज नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट. हियर यू कैन सी मधुर बेकरी इज अर्निंग प्रॉफिट ऑफ 2 lakh आफ्टर investing capital into the business. Let's say Madhur Bakery has started business with 20 lakhs. Okay, 20 lakhs उन्होंने business start किया, and suppose 10% they have earned. That means 10% of 20 lakh is 2 lakhs. So this is their normal profit. Okay, understood the concept of normal profit? The profit which is earned after investing the capital amount is normal profit. And the excess profit, here you can see these two business are earning excess profit than Madhur Bakery's business. So this excess profit earned by Satyam and Shanti Bakery over the normal profit of Madhur Bakery is super profit. Yes, this extra profit of these two business will be called super profit. Why they are earning excess profit? It is because of their goodwill in the market. Because they have goodwill, reputation in the market, they are earning that excess profit. Understood the concept of goodwill? So here is the meaning of super profit method and steps involved in the valuation of goodwill under this method. Under this method, goodwill is calculated on the basis of super profits, which we have already discussed in the previous class. What is the meaning of super profit? What is the meaning of normal profit? I think you all know the concept of these two terms very well. So after calculating super profits, Goodwill is determined by multiplying super profit by a certain number of years purchase as agreed by the partners. Now our next topic is steps involved in the valuation of goodwill. Here you can see there are 5 steps under this method. Step 1, we need to calculate capital employed of the business. Capital employed means capital investment. Yes, how much capital invested in the business. There are 2 approaches to calculate capital, but here I am going to tell you only one approach just for now, that is asset side approach. Under asset side approach, how will you calculate capital? You will add all the assets. Yes, all assets except goodwill, fictitious assets and a non-trade investments. Goodwill you will exclude, fictitious assets exclude karoge. Examples of fictitious assets are preliminary expenses, okay, which doesn't have a realizable value, that is fictitious assets, and non-trade investment which is not a part of the business. All those assets will be excluded minus outsiders liability. You will get capital employed. Then step 2, we need to calculate normal profit. How do we calculate normal profit here? Some certain rate will be given to you in the question every time. Let's say 10%, 20%. What is that? That is basically the return which we are going to get on the capital investment of the business. Take the last example. Suppose Madhur Bakery has started business with 20 lakhs and normal rate of return, the amount which we are predicting that we are getting is 10% of the capital investment. So 10% of capital investment which is 20 lakh, we got 2 lakh. So that is the normal profit. Okay, capital employed multiplied by normal rate of return divided by 100, which is always given in your question, normal rate. Step 3, we need to calculate actual profit, or you can say average profit. Step 4, calculate super profit, and the formula of super profit is actual or average profit minus normal profit. You will get super profit. Then in the last step, goodwill equals to super profit multiplied by number of years purchase. Understood? So let's solve one question by this method. A and B are partners in a firm. The profits earned by them in the last 5 years were as follows. Years we have 2012, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Profits given are 30,000, 50,000, 60,000, 20,000, that is loss, and the last is 40,000. The average capital employed of the firm is rupees 1,20,000. A fair return on capital in the market is 12%. Determine the value of goodwill if it is based on 3 years purchase of super profit of past 5 years. So here is the solution. First we need to calculate average profit. For that we need total. So the first step is total profit. You will add up all these amounts. Okay. In the first step we calculated total profits. Of course loss will be subtracted. So total profit here I am getting is 1,60,000, as you can see. Then we need to calculate average profit. The formula is total profit divided by number of years. Total profit is 1,60,000 divided by 5. We got 32,000 average profit. Then we need to calculate normal profit. What is the formula of normal profit? The capital investment into rate of return, normal rate of return. Here capital employed given in the question is, it is given 1,20,000. You can see here the average capital employed of the firm is 1,20,000. So 1,20,000 multiplied by 12. It is also given in the question, normal rate. divided by 100, you will get 14,400 is your normal profit. Then we will calculate super profit. The formula of super profit is average profit minus normal profit. Average profit we have 32,000. Normal profit is 14,400. Subtract these amounts, you will get 17,600, which is your super profit. Then calculate goodwill. The formula of goodwill under this method is super profit into number of years purchase. Super profit we have 17,600 multiplied by number of years purchase is 3. Your answer is 52,800. That is the goodwill amount with the help of super profit method. Got it?